So are you also running an online store management software business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for online store management software business. So like you, I'm also running the same business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, but this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which has an AI agent. And when the AI agent has been created, now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is powered with the help of an AI for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to build a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent designed specifically for an online store management software business. This chatbot can handle common customer queries, guide new users through onboarding, assist with feature explanation, and even troubleshoot basic issues automatically. So yes, let's dive in and build your smart support system on WhatsApp. So as you can see that I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot powered by AI for my own software business. And first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this. So for that I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and let's say my user is going to type and say, hey, I need help right over here. So let's say I'm just going to type, hey, I need help, and send them this text message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically my AI agent WhatsApp chatbot will get started, and automatically it is going to reply to this conversation. And over here you can see that it is saying, I am here to help, please let me know what you need assistance with. I'll do my best to assist you. So let's say I'm just going to ask them what they offer. So I'm just going to ask what you offer right over here. So I'm just going to type what you offer and send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically the WhatsApp chatbot is going to reply me with everything they offer. So yes, over here you're going to see that we're just going to get a reply within seconds and in real time. And over here you can see that it has shared all the features which this software offers, and I'm just going to ask them for the pricing details. So I'm just going to enter price and then question mark and ask them for the pricing details, and now it is going to share me all the pricing details, that too in seconds and in real time. And yes, now you can see that it is sharing me the pricing details. It is sharing me 3 types of pricing plans: starter, pro, and business. So yes, you can see that this chatbot is solving the user queries within seconds. So now let's ask this WhatsApp chatbot for the payment options. So I'm just going to type payment options right over here, and I'm just going to send them this message. And as you can see that yes, it is responding me accordingly. And further, let's say if I want to ask them for the contact details, I can simply ask them for the contact details too. I'm just going to type contact details right over here and then question mark, and I'm just going to send them this text. So it is going to share me the contact details. And yes, now it has shared the contact details of my software business. So you must be wondering from where it is getting all the information of my business and answering so accurately, because what I've done is I've simply uploaded a knowledge base in this WhatsApp chatbot, and this chatbot is replying according to the knowledge base only, be it the pricing plans or be it the contact details. It is replying me according to the knowledge base which I have uploaded. So yes, now I'm just going to show you how we can create this smart WhatsApp chatbot for your own business which is powered by AI. So to do this, we are simply going to open a new tab, and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here we're going to get 2 options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversation. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now just opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Chartflow account. And over here to create a WhatsApp chatbot, you first have to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chartflow. So to add a WhatsApp number, you're simply going to go towards this blue button which says add WhatsApp number. And over here, you're going to get two methods to add the WhatsApp number. Either you can use WhatsApp Connect or Manual Token Connect. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I've already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to move on forward and create my AI agent WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I'm just going to go towards the left side of the bar of my Pabbly Chartflow account. And over here on the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chartflow. So if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Today, this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot which is powered with the help of an AI agent. So for that, I'm directly going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chartflow. And after coming over here, we first have to go towards this add AI assistant button. And now it's asking me for the AI assistant name, so I'm simply going to enter the AI assistant name right over here. And after adding this AI assistant name, I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant button. And now my AI assistant has been added right over here. And now it is asking me to select the AI instructions. So over here, if you want to set custom prompts, you can select this custom prompt and you can give custom prompts according to your own needs. Otherwise, you can select any one from this, which is AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, coding expert, life coach, and futuristic fashion advisor. Over here, I'm just going to select it as sales agent, and automatically the prompt has been added right over here in this instruction section. Now I'm just going to move on forward. Over here, it is asking me for the temperature. So over here, the temperature is how creative the AI answers are. So 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So I'm just going to keep it as 0.3 because I want more focused answers. Now I'm just going to select the AI to use, which is OpenAI. Now it is asking me for the models. I'm simply going to select it as GPT-4 or Mini. You can select any another of your choice. And now it is asking me for the token. And to get this token, we are simply going to follow the help text. And it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm simply going to go towards my OpenAI API key page to get the API key. And after coming over here towards this page, we are simply going to go towards this create new secret key button, enter the key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. And your key will be created. You can simply paste that key right over here. Alright, so I'm simply going to paste the API token and click on this button which says connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. And now it is asking me for the AI assistant settings. So it is saying header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempts. So if you wish, you can definitely switch it on right from here and enter the messages accordingly. If you want to use some stop keywords, you can switch on the stop keywords, enter some stop keywords, and your AI agent will stop when the user send those keywords. And further, we have retry attempts. So over here, what you can do is you can simply specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the assistant fails to respond. Over here, the third which we have is fallback message. So you can simply set up a fallback message to right over here. So you must be wondering, what is this fallback message? So over here, what is going to happen is that when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly, or let's say that you have uploaded some sort of information in your knowledge base and a user is asking for the information which is out of the knowledge base, then a fallback message will be sent towards your user which will be entered over here. So I want the fallback message to be this, and at last I'm just going to add the support email address of my company. So over here, the fallback messages, I'm here to assist you with the questions related to the company information or support. If you have any questions about our services or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask at. And now over here, I'm just going to enter my support email address. And with this, we have successfully completed this AI instructions. Now I'm just going to go towards this knowledge source, and over here I'm just going to upload my knowledge base. So as you can see that this is the knowledge source, right? And what we have to do is we can't upload it in docs format. We have to only upload the knowledge base in TXT format, which will be smaller than 90 MB. So to convert this in TXT format, we simply have to go towards this file, download, and from here you can download it in TXT format. I have already downloaded it. I'm simply going to go towards this choose a file, and I'm just going to upload my file right over here, which is this. So I'm simply going to upload this file right over here. And once I upload this file, automatically my knowledge source will be added. And over here you can see that it has been added. You can see the date, time, and also you can see the vector ID, and also you can see the format. So yes, this is a proof that we have successfully added the knowledge source. And now I'm just going to move on forward towards this AI interface. Now it is asking me header display heading name. So over here I'm just going to keep the heading name as my company's name. So I'm just going to simply enter it. It is saying subheading, so I'm just going to keep it as same only. It is saying initial message, so if you wish to add multiple initial message, you can type the initial message and then press enter, and the messages will be added like this. And if you don't want to add multiple messages, you can simply add one. So over here you can only add two initial messages. All right, so now I'm just going to move on further. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display the label, you have to keep it as enable, otherwise you have to disable it right from here. And when you keep it as disable, the label will not be shown. I'm just going to keep it as enable only. Now it is asking me for the footer text, so if you wish, you can definitely add a footer text and also the link, which will be the hyperlink on the text. And further you can also add the use of first message. I'm just going to keep rest of these as same only. You can definitely change it. Now I'm just going to move on further towards the next, which is styling, and over here you can simply style your WhatsApp chatbot. So yes, you can select the theme dark or light. You can select it right from here, and then further you can select the assistant shape, you can select the background color, text color, button color, and much more from this styling section. And you can definitely style your WhatsApp chatbot. So yes, now after doing this, we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot AI assistant. So what we have to do is we simply have to switch it on right from here so that it runs in real time. And after enabling this, I'm simply going to click on this Save AI Assistant. And once I'm just going to click on the Save AI Assistant, my AI assistant has been saved successfully. And now I'm just going to show you the proper working of this once again. So for that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. Let's say I'm just going to clear the previous conversation and start fresh. Once again, I'm just going to send them, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to type, hey, I need help right over here. And now I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help. And once I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help, automatically my chatbot is going to get triggered, and it is saying, please let me know what you need assistance with. I'll do my best to assist you. So yes, like I showed you in the starting of this video, now this AI assistant chatbot is going to solve all my user queries with the help of the knowledge source, which I've uploaded right over here. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for our own business. Now go try this amazing automation for your own business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.